We're going to rate nuggets boiled today. I haven't made it in a very long time. It's been a hot minute. And he made it spicy lemon. Nugget, what are we making?
Boiled.
Chef, what's in the secret sauce, chef?
You like snow, boy. I didn't know you wanted it.
I'm hurt. We're cooking. Yesterday we went to Ulta. The lady, oh, you know, you have less color right here versus up here. And I waxed my color off. Right here. Scab from waxing. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Oh well. All the fixing.